Hello everybody, my name is Carson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what we're going to be doing is the square lashing. It's very useful for bushcraft and scouting. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start our lashing like we always do with a clove hitch. How we're doing a clove hitch is we're going to make a nice X. So it should be just a nice loop around our wood. Then what we're going to do, we're going to tuck this strand underneath, pull it back up, and it's going to go through our X. We're going to finish it like that. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to finish it with a half hitch, make it nice and tight. So we have our kind of longer end over here. What we're going to do with our shorter end, let's just put it around, and it's going to go through itself like so. Just gonna make that nice and tight. Now we're ready to start our lashing. Okay, now that we have our clove hitch set up and that's nice and tight, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our rope, we're gonna put it over this top pole and underneath the bottom pole. And then over this top pole again and underneath the bottom pole. Much like a tripod lashing or a bipod lashing, this has a pattern. And we're going to go over top pole and under the bottom pole. Again, over the top pole and under the bottom pole. I'm using about 3 meters of rope, so today I think I'm going to do about 3 or 4 of these passes. And then we'll see you for the frapping. So now that we've got our 2 pieces lashed together, what we're going to do is something called frapping. And what it's going to do is tighten what we have already done around these 2 poles. So to start our frapping, instead of going over this top pole, what we're going to do is go underneath of it, but it's going to kind of go around our rope. So it should start to tighten your lashing and make it nice and strong. So I would do, with a longer rope, probably 3 passes, but I'm probably going to do 2 because I have shorter pieces of rope. So now that we've done our frapping, what we're going to do is we're going to finish our lashing with a clove hitch, just like we started. So go up, around, we're going to make our X, just like that. Go around again, and come back through our X. And we've got our clove hitch. And what I'm going to do again is just kind of put a half hitch in these 2, kind of tie together loose ends. 2 half hitches actually. That's how we're going to finish our lashing. This is what our lashing is going to look like when it is finished. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe if you are new.